Hello readers, so yesterday we reviewed our organizational structures and practiced matching all of the things to the type of structure that we were looking at. Today we're going to practice making inferences once again. Last week I showed you all the strategy. It was context plus clues equals the main idea, or that light bulb. We're going to continue using that same strategy today to help us build our understanding of our text. We're going to first go into using hashtags as we read through our text solving problems. So we read this earlier in the week. We're going to reread it and use hashtags to give us some background knowledge and connect our clues to allow us to make inferences on what the main idea might be for that paragraph or for the story in general. So this is the strategy that we used last week to help us with our unfamiliar words. We're going to use it again to see what is happening in the story, how they are describing details or how those details are being used, and then what might it mean. So we're going to use that similar strategy or that strategy to give us our main idea in the story solving problems. So I'm going to go ahead and read paragraph 1, give a couple hashtags, and then you're going to go on and practice for paragraph 2 and 3. Should be pretty easy since we've already read it. And then if you need help, don't forget to ask your teacher. All right, paragraph 1. In the United States, citizens elect their government representatives. That means the people who live and work in a town, city, or state vote for many of the members of their government. These members represent the people at different levels of government. Local governments make choices about how to run towns and cities. State governments make and enforce laws for states, and then federal governments make and enforce laws for the nation. So my hashtags that I am going to put are that citizens select reps. So that's something that's going to help me understand because they select their representatives. And then I'm also going to put that there are different levels. And then my last hashtag is going to be local versus state versus federal. A couple things that I want you to keep in mind is that my hashtags are meant and intended to help me. They give me clues on what is being talked about in that paragraph. When you go off and practice, I want you to know that there is no right answer and what hashtags should look like, and they should better help you understand the main idea of the paragraph. So now you're going to go ahead and read paragraph 2 and 3 independently, add your own hashtags. You're going to go ahead and draft. I'll make sure to double check it, but just know that after you see and use this strategy, you'll get to build your own clues to help build your understanding of main ideas and put them into your own words. Good luck.